Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare vegetable rice with cashew nuts. Let's get cooking. For the ingredients, we need 2 cups of rice, 1 packet of cashew nuts, a half cup of peas, 1 large carrot, 1 cup of French beans, a half cup of cube-shaped pineapples, a quarter cup of corn, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic. For the spices, we need a half tablespoon of cumin, a half tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 beef cube, soy sauce, and a handful of cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, cardamom, and black pepper. First, wash your rice thoroughly. Add 4 cups of water in a sufurium, a handful of your cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, cardamom, and black pepper, and let this boil. Once your water has boiled, add salt and butter and let the butter melt. Then add your rice and let this cook on low heat until fluffy. As the rice cooks, we prepare our veggies. Finely chop the onions and the garlic and put them aside. I bought my ready veggies at Quickmart supermarket, but you can also buy them whole and chop them into small cubes. In a pan, add some oil and a little butter and let this melt. Add all the other veggies and let this saute for a few more minutes. Now add your spices and salt and allow the spices to infuse their flavor to your veggies as it sautés. Add your roasted cashew nuts and let this cook for a few seconds. Lastly, add soy sauce and mix everything together. Once the rice is fully cooked, add your cooked veggies and mix everything together using a fork. I used a fork to ensure that my rice doesn't become mushy. And your vegetable rice with cashew nuts is ready! You can enjoy this rice with beef stew, chicken or pork. I had mine with sticky chicken and some avocados, and y'all, it was absolutely yummy. Let me know in the comment section down below how yours turned out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.